Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix TCL LED TV black screen. No picture but sound is coming. On the left side of your screen you can see that the TV is showing only black screen, and on the right side of your TV screen the picture is okay. So watch the video till end, subscribe my channel and like the video if this helps you. Now I will show you how to fix this problem. Do subscribe our channel and like the video. Now viewers, in order to fix this problem we have to open the back case of our TCL TV. It have two types of screws. Ones are normal and one are tiny. Open these both and lift the back cover. There should be a connector of speakers and keypad with the back cover. Take care of it. Now detach the LVDS cable from the T-con. Also remove any tape or lock on the T-con. This is our step-by-step guide how to fix the black screen problem. Use small tip Phillips to open the side screws of your TCL TV. These screws are on the all four corners. Now remove the safety clip of the T-con. Now we will turn the TV. Viewers, the process is same for all sizes, so you can adopt this process to remove the black screen problem. Use a normal sharp-end screwdriver to open the front bezel of the TV. It have tiny locks, so gently push it outwards. Now lift the bezel carefully and place it on a side. Now it's time for the panel, viewers. This part is very delicate, so handle it with care. Use soft hands, don't use hard hands. Gently lift it and place it on a side. Now there are tiny locks for the panel fitting. Also you can remove them by using a flat pin screwdriver. Now we have to remove the reflecting papers. There you go, viewers. These are the backlight strips responsible for black screen. Now we use a LED backlight tester to check the backlight strips. Viewers, if you don't have LED tester, you can make it without any cost. I am giving the link in the description and in I button, so you can easily make it at home without any cost. I am checking the strip. You can see that no light is glowing, so this strip is bad, viewers. We have to replace this. Now I am checking the second one. You are also watching that some lights are not glowing, so this is also bad. We have to replace all the backlight strips. Viewers, I will now use the new strips. These cost only $3 to $4 depending on size of the TV. You can purchase them in your local market. If not available, then you can purchase them online. Now I am checking the new ones. You can see that all the lights are glowing. I will replace the bad ones with the new ones. Install the new backlight strips. Viewers, my channel is full of repairing videos and troubleshooting smart TVs. If you have any problems related to your TV, you can watch my channel, subscribe my channel and watch the videos. Now after installing the new lights, you have to check them before assembling your TV, because if there is anything missing you have to reopen the TV again. So it is wise to check the TV after installing the new lights. Now I am plugging in my AC card. Now I will press the power key on the keypad to check that our lights are glowing or not. You can see that all the lights are glowing. Now it is ready for assembling. Now I will do the steps one by one. Firstly, place the reflecting papers, then this panel fitting. Adjust it on its place carefully. Now place the panel. It is very delicate, viewers, so take care in placing this and place it inside all the four corners on your back cover. Now place the front bezel. Gently press it downwards. It has small tiny locks. It will automatically be seated. Gently press it, viewers. Recheck it along the four sides that all the sides are well placed. All the locks are done. Now turn it and connect the T-con with the LVDS cable. Connect the LVDS cable. Viewers, you can fix this black screen problem in only $2 to $3 instead of giving $100 or $150 to a technician. Now connect the input jack and back cover. Place the back cover carefully. Install all the screws on the back side and then turn it. Now viewers, I will check it. Press the power key on. Viewers, you can see that our display have come back and the problem of black screen has been fixed. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Kindly like it and share it with your friends and family, and keep supporting me by subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching, viewers. Goodbye.